a 70 70 Charger. So here's all the pieces. Got painted about a week ago, and boy, that's nice. So what's he got? He's got a 440 in here. No, that doesn't look like it is a 440. Yeah, but yeah, to do that and put a vinyl top on it, I'm just not a big vinyl top guy, you know.
I don't particularly love them.
And look at that shifter. It's just a giant.
Yeah.
I mean, talk about it. That's not a short shifter by any stretch of the imagination.
That's what a throw.
Yeah. So these are the stock wheels he's going to have?
Yeah, you have powder coated.
Well, does he want a nut and bolt correct one? Is that what he's after?
You know,
Who knows?
I don't know. I mean,
Just give it. Are you putting it together?
yeah,
Yeah. It'll be nice once it's done.
it will be. Yeah,
So what do you think? Another 100 hours?
I hope not. But as you know, they always progress it way more.